play and learn. Wow, I love alphabet puzzle. We can learn the alphabet with this activity learning puzzle. And they are in different colors. Oh no! Where are the letters? Can you help me find all the letters of the alphabet? Yoo-hoo! Now we can find them. The first letter is letter A. Do you see the letter A? Great job! The letter A is colored yellow. What is the sound of letter A? You're right. A, A, A. A is for alligator. A, alligator. The next letter is letter B. Do you see the letter B? Good job! The letter B is color orange. What is the sound of letter B? You're right. B, B, B. B, B, B. B is for bear. B, B, bear. A, B, C. Oops, the next letter is letter C. Do you see the letter C? Where is it? Great job! The letter C is color red. What is the sound of letter C? K, K, K. C is for cat. K, K, cat. What letter comes after the letter C? D. Do you see the letter D? Good job! The letter D is color light green. What is the sound of letter D? You're right. D, D, D. D is for duck. D, D, duck. What is the next letter? Sing with me. A, B, C, D, E. Letter E. Do you see the letter E? Great job! The letter E is color green. What is the sound of letter E? You're right. Eh, eh, eh. E is for elephant. Eh, eh, elephant. Let's sing to know the next letter. A, B, C, D, E, F. F. Do you see the letter F? Great job! The letter F is color green. What is the sound of letter F? You're right. F is for fox. Fox. Sing along with me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. G is the next letter. Do you see the letter G? Great job! The letter G is color pink. What is the sound of letter G? You're right. G, G, G. Now let's put the letter G. G is for guitar. G, G, guitar. Well done. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Letter H. Where is the letter H? Great job! The letter H is color pink. What is the sound of letter H? You're right! H is for horse. Horse. Now let's put the letter H. Great job! Let's sing again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. The next letter is letter I. Where is the letter I? Good job! The letter I is color pink. What is the sound of letter I? You're right. I, I, I. I is for iguana. I, iguana. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. J. Letter J. Oh, there it is. Great job. The letter J is color blue. What is the sound of letter J? You're right. J, J, J. J is for jaguar. J, J, jaguar. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. It's letter K. Do you see the letter K? Great job! The letter K is color blue. What is the sound of letter K? You're right. K, K, K. K is for koala. K, K, koala. What's the next letter? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. It's letter L. Do you see the letter L? Oops, there it is. Great job. The letter L is color blue. What is the sound of letter L? You're right. Ooh, ooh, ooh. L is for lion. Ooh, ooh, lion. Now let's sing again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. It's letter M. Great job! The letter M is color purple. What is the sound of letter M? You're right. Mm, mm, mm. M is for monkey. Monkey. What letter comes after the letter M? Let's sing again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. It's letter N. Oops, there it is. Great job. The letter N is color pink. What is the sound of letter N? You're right. N, N, N. N is for narwhal. N, N, narwhal. A narwhal is a small Arctic whale. What's the next letter? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. It's letter O. Do you see the letter O? Oh, there it is. Great job. The letter O is color blue. It's light blue or sky blue. What is the sound of letter O? You're right. Aw, aw, aw. O is for octopus. Aw, aw, octopus. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. The next letter is letter P. Do you see the letter P? There it is. The letter P is color blue. What is the sound of letter P? You're right. P, P, P. P is for penguin. P, P, penguin. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q. Letter Q. Do you see the letter Q? Where is it? Oh, there. The letter Q is color blue. What is the sound of letter Q? You're right. Qu, qu, qu. Q is for quail. Qu, qu, quail. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. It's letter R. Do you see the letter R? Great job! The letter R is color purple. What is the sound of letter R? You're right. R, R, R. R is for rabbit. R, R, rabbit. Now let's find the next letter. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S. It's letter S. Oh, there's the letter S. The letter S is color yellow. What is the sound of letter S? You're right. S, s, s. S is for sun. S, s, sun. Now let's put the letter S. Let's sing again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. Oh, it's letter T. Do you see the letter T? Great job! The letter T is color orange. What is the sound of letter T? You're right. T, T, T. T is for tiger. T, T, tiger. I guess you're getting better in singing now. Sing along with me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U. Now let's find the letter U. Great job! The letter U is color red. What is the sound of letter U? You're right. A. U is for umbrella. Umbrella. Let's sing again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. Wow, it's letter V. Do you see the letter V? Great job! The letter V is color light green. What is the sound of letter V? You're right. V, V, V. V is for violin. V, V, violin. Let's sing again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W. It's W. Do you see the W? Oh, great job. The letter W is color green. What is the sound of letter W? You're right. W, W, W. W is for whale. W, W, whale. What is the next letter? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X. Let's find the letter X. Great job! The letter X is colored green. What is the sound of letter X? You're right. X, X, X. X is for X-ray fish. X, X, X-ray fish. Let's sing again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y. Where's the letter Y? Do you see it? Is this the letter Y? Great job! This is the letter Y. The letter Y is color pink. It's light pink. What is the sound of letter Y? You're right. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Y is for yak. Yeah, yeah, yak. And the last letter is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. The last letter is letter Z. The letter Z is color pink. What is the sound of letter Z? You're right. Z, Z, Z. Z is for zebra. Z, Z, zebra. Hooray! We're all done. Great job!
Thank you so much for learning with us.
Check out in the description box below for the link of each lesson.
Have a great day!
Bye!